So this week's activity is going to be making a brownie in a mug. You're going to need a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of water. So here I have all the ingredients, not measured, but we'll do it quickly. First, we're going to measure the dry ingredients and place them into the cup. So we're going to start with sugar. So you have to do a quarter cup of sugar. Remember to make sure it's leveled in the cup. So sugar is done. Next, a quarter cup of flour. I'm getting excited. Quarter cup of flour. Then we go to our 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So this is 1 tablespoon, so we're going to need 2. 1, 2. And the instruction says pinch of salt. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt in my hand. Pinch of salt. Next, we're going to go with mixing it, because all the dry ingredients. So we mix it. Mix dry ingredients. Then we're going to add the wet ingredients. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So 2 of these again. So that's 1. And that's 2. Then we're going to go to 2 tablespoons of water. 3, sorry. 1, 2, and 3. Now, make sure you're mixing well, because you have to make sure that it's consistent. Make sure you get all the dry ingredients nice and wet and mixed up. Oh my. I'm getting excited. Mix, mix, mix. Let's see what happens here. Mix right through so it looks almost like a cake batter. And then, I'm going to use a spoon, not my finger, just to keep it clean. I might need an oomph of water. It's a little too thick. So let's get a little smooth, like if you're making it from a box. And then, once it looks nice and smooth, so if you look inside, it looks smooth. We're going to take it to the microwave for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh, I can't wait to see what it's going to taste like. I'll show you a picture when I'm done.